Hello and welcome to How to Make a Fedora Hat video course. My name is Elena Shvab and I'm a London-based milliner with over 10 years of experience designing and handcrafting hats. In this course, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a classic felt Fedora hat with a modern twist of hand shaping the crown. I'll show you how just by using a standard dome-shaped crown and stem, you can create multiple variations of Fedora hat, a technique that allows you to design bespoke and unique shapes with minimum investment and maximum creativity. This course is perfect for beginners. No prior experience is required. We'll go step by step from preparing your hat blocks to stiffening the felt, hand shaping the crown, trimming and decorating your hat with a classic headband. By the end of this course, you'll have your own handmade fedora and the confidence to start making your own hats.